So I have some bad news for all of you coffee lovers out there, because for the next 48 hours you're going to be cutting out coffee completely, and instead I'm going to be replacing it with golden milk, which is so delicious. It's also known as a turmeric latte. You might have tried one before. Some coffee shops are sort of creating their own versions of this recipe. So the most powerful antioxidant in this is the turmeric, the same that we used in the breakfast. And it's just wonderful. It's a brilliant anti-inflammatory. It can help with so many different parts of the body and the brain. So you need a teaspoon of turmeric. The thing about turmeric is it's a fat soluble, so what that means is it's quite hard for your body to absorb unless it's eaten with a bit of fat. So I've suggested some fresh coconut milk for this. So you have the fats necessary. If you have a different kind of plant milk, or you prefer a different kind of plant milk, you can just add half a teaspoon of coconut oil so it helps your body to absorb the turmeric. And then also a pinch of black pepper. Black pepper might sound a bit random, but it also helps to activate the turmeric and helps your body to absorb all the goodness from it. And then 2 more antioxidants. We've got half a teaspoon of cinnamon and half a teaspoon of fresh ginger. So you can just use, we've got a cute little grater off my friend here. So yeah, get some fresh ginger and then we'll get going with the recipe. Once you've grated your ginger, you'll need a medium saucepan, and we're just making this recipe for one at the moment, so if you're ever in the mood for a coffee, go to this instead and get these ingredients in your cupboard. So pour in the coconut milk or plant-based milk. You can use some fortified milks as well. There's a lot of plant-based milks now because they're so popular. They're fortified with things like vitamin D and calcium, so you can get more goodness in your body. So there's some different options there. And then stir in the half a teaspoon of fresh ginger, and then about half a teaspoon of turmeric. It's quite strong, so half a teaspoon is more than enough when you get all the goodness. And then add in the cinnamon. And just stir that in. And then finally a bit of black pepper. And that's it. If you are using coconut oil as well, just pop in half a teaspoon and that helps to get your fats in. And then just stir this on the hob on a medium heat until it bubbles, so it's nice and hot. Once that's simmered and gone nice and hot, it's ready to serve. It smells amazing. And that right there is your golden milk. Enjoy!